You're not wearing a diaper? Hi guys, so this is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing to dinner, and this is the best mirror I could find to show it in, but it's just this pink and purple printed wrap dress that I got on Amazon, and it is so cute. It is so flattering and girly, and it is a true wrap, and I'm just wearing my hair in a ponytail and a headband because it is too hot and humid here to wear your hair down. Like, I had my hair down last night and I was just dying, so I have it up and I'm just wearing it with my white sneakers because we're just walking to dinner, so I want to be comfortable. Oh, is that bright? We are just waking up from a nap, and I think we're gonna get, well, I'm already ready because I've been awake. Actually, I didn't take a nap. But the boys are gonna get ready for dinner, and then we're gonna walk to this restaurant. It's like half a mile away, and we're gonna have probably some Japanese curry. It got really good reviews for the curry, and it's called Garlic Restaurant, which seems like a strange name for a restaurant, and it's literally a hole in the wall, but those are usually the best places, so I'm excited to go.
Garlic.
I don't even know if you can see that. And we're off. Here's Lionel and Andy, and here is Lionel's diaper, and we have no idea
Wait, no, look at this.
how it got there. Is that your diaper?
That is his diaper.
That's you're not wearing a diaper? How did that happen? We were just walking. How in the
Mom put this diaper on. I did not put this diaper on. That was
I don't even know how it made it out of his shorts though.
Yeah,
Aww,
but all I know is that was you.
Okay, I don't know.
And I've got these two floppy cheeses that Lionel won't eat.
A clean diaper in my purse. Welcome to Garlic Restaurant. Here we are. Here's our table. It's so cute.
You want a chair? You want a chair? Just for all.
So, just kidding. Now we're at Country House Restaurant. So, we'll see how it goes. Oh, there's some cowboys right there. I see them. There they are. So, we'll see how this goes. What's so funny?
All these handsome men in their cowboy hats.
Here we are, y'all, at the Country Restaurant. We'll see how it is. It was so bad. Hi guys, it's the next day, and dinner was such a fail last night. We just came back to the hotel room hungry pretty much. But yeah, that cowboy restaurant was disgusting. Anyway, we are starting fresh today, and we're gonna go to this really popular breakfast place. It's supposed to have the best breakfast on the island, and it's called The Shack. But the pictures of the food look really good, so I'm excited to try it out. We're here at The Shack. It's so cute. Let's go. Go ahead. Good morning. Cheers. Cheers.
What about Dada?
It's so hot. It's so hot. I'm like so afraid. Hot. How's your lemonade?
No, Lionel. You're okay. You're juice. Look, look. Thank you. Thank you. A cabana, huh?
Yeah. Let's grab a cabana.
Uh-oh, Daddy's going.
Snack time? What you got? French fries? What is in here? Pizza! Yum yum! Yeah. Hi guys, just real quick, I wanted to show you my swimsuit that I'm wearing. It's my Amazon swimsuit, and it is so comfortable, it is so cute, and it's super functional too. We were swimming and splashing in the pool with Lionel, and it was easy to move in, easy to jump in. Hi, Bubba! But yeah, and it's just like a no hassle swimsuit. You don't have to worry about anything spilling out or slipping out. Hi! You ready for a nap? So yeah, I think this is my favorite swimsuit.
Go with your mama. Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach. Baby, he's not moving.
You care to tell us I care you? Oh my goodness.
ready?
Yeah.
Just go around behind you.
Beep, beep. All right, y'all. We are winding down. It's our last night. We just got some room service. Lionel has been a complete maniac for the last 3 hours, so we're just gonna end the vlog here. Can you say bye-bye?
Why did they give us shrimp?
Oh.